Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and this is the channel where I went to business school so you didn't have to, and today we are looking at the top 3 best stocks to buy right now that you can buy and hold forever. These stocks could easily double your money in a very short amount of time, and they are trading at a fantastic discount right now because most of these stocks are down between 28 to 55% from their highs for this year. All 3 of these businesses and companies have a massive market opportunity, so the growth prospects for these companies are absolutely massive, and I think right now could be a fantastic time to buy these companies, especially if you are a long-term investor. So in this video, we're going to be looking at Mercado Libre, ticker symbol MELI, ticker name MELI, Etsy, ticker symbol ETSY, and Airbnb, ABNB. All of these companies are projected to dominate their respected industries, and they have fantastic growth prospects, so why wouldn't we want to get in on these companies? First, we're going to start off with Mercado Libre, ticker name MELI, ticker symbol MELI. The current stock price trades for around $1,054. The low-end price target, according to analysts, is $1,250. The average price consensus among analysts is $1,862, and the high-end price target for the next 12 months is $2,200, easily doubling from the current stock price just in the span of 12 months. Mercado Libre is mainly known for their e-commerce platform, and they're called the Amazon of Latin America. They specifically penetrate the markets in Brazil and Argentina. Mercado Libre also has a business payments platform segment called Mercado Pago, and they very similarly resemble PayPal holdings. They also have other segments of their company and components that resemble Shopify and eBay. So overall, if Mercado Libre can even get 1/4 of the market that Amazon has, and because the company is already a first mover over in Latin America, Mercado Libre is anticipated to do extremely well in the e-commerce business industry segment. If you invest into Mercado Libre, it's like you're gaining exposure to a foreign version of Amazon, PayPal, Block, Shopify, and eBay all in one company. And all of these companies are respectively extremely successful in the United States. So this not only will give you diversification within a single company, it's also going to give you diversification because this is an international stock. Now, I personally have talked about Mercado Libre multiple times on this channel because I love it so much, and because it's down by around 45% from its 2021 highs, I think this is a fantastic buying opportunity to at a minimum double your money and at maximum be a fantastic long-term growth investment that is going to give you consistent and stable gains throughout time. The company is constantly growing and scaling for both their revenues and earnings, and it has a fantastic market opportunity that is in the trillions of dollars. So overall, this is a fantastic long-term investment. But now I want to talk about another massive market opportunity, which is going to be Etsy. So Etsy, if you didn't know, basically is a platform, and it's a site where people can sell handmade items and goods of sorts. Right now, Etsy, ticker symbol ETSY, currently trades for around $141. The low-end price target, according to analysts, is $154, so we could automatically get some upside right there. The average price consensus for the stock is $242, and the high-end price prediction is $320 per share. Again, more than doubling our money in the span of 12 months, and because it has fantastic growth opportunities, this company could technically 10x in the future. Analysts are overall very impressed with Etsy. However, some very bearish analysts actually thought that Etsy was going to fizzle out when Amazon rolled out their platform to sell homemade goods. Luckily, Etsy has been more than able to hold their own against Amazon, and Etsy has more than 90 million active users and customers, which has sold more than $3 billion worth of merchandise through Etsy's platform just in the third quarter. So in a single quarter, they sold around $3 billion worth of merchandise, which is absolutely insane. They also have a gigantic addressable market, so listen to this. They're already raking in massive amounts of revenues, and handmade online shopping has an overall market size of around $100 billion. So they are barely scratching the surface of this industry. We can also add another $12 billion for annualized merchandise sales, which is another business segment that they're involved in, and they also have a giant retail category inventory on top of offline sales. And with these all together, we can see that their addressable market is around $1.7 trillion, which is absolutely insane. So this just means that Etsy has more market opportunity and more market share to steal from other companies as they grow into their overall valuation. And because the stock price has recently pulled back, which gives us a fantastic buying opportunity to double our money, it's also a fantastic long-term investment that could 10x in the future. Etsy also has been aggressively expanding their brand and their portfolio with multiple acquisitions. For instance, they acquired the company Reverb, which is a music marketplace. They also acquired Depop, which focuses on fashion resale, and they also acquired Elo7, which is often called the Etsy of Brazil. So it's very funny that Etsy is also penetrating the Latin America market over in Brazil, and that's also what Mercado Libre is also focusing on right now. So buying Mercado Libre and Etsy could both give you exposure to international segments as well as provide fantastic long-term gains for your overall portfolio. Currently, the stock price for ETSY stock is down by around 55%, and that's why I deem this particular company a fantastic buying opportunity right now because of its overall market size, the amount of revenues that they can generate, and their impressive acquisitions because the company is constantly expanding their overall brand portfolio. This leads us to our number 3 spot, which is Airbnb, ticker symbol ABNB. The current Airbnb stock price trades at $162 per share. The low-end analyst price target is $140 per share. The average price consensus among analysts is $192, and the high-end price prediction is $250 per share. If you didn't know, Airbnb is a company that has a platform where people can rent out places to stay, whether they're on vacation, just need a place to chill out, and they can also buy certain experiences. Airbnb has a massive market opportunity, and they're really putting a hurting on the hotel industry. This is how popular Airbnb has gotten. Just in the third quarter of 2021, Airbnb had around 80 million nights and experiences booked on their platform, which is absolutely crazy. This means that their gross booking value was around $11.9 billion in a single quarter. This generated over $2 billion worth of revenue and $834 million worth of net income. And because Airbnb is generating net income, this means that this is already a profitable company. And you all know me, I love investing into profitable companies that have already proved that their business model works. And Airbnb has more than proved this statement. They are also a part of a gigantic industry. For instance, the travel rentals industry is worth around $1.2 trillion worldwide. They also have a very large market opportunity in their experience segment of the business, which has a market size of around $3.4 trillion. So together, we are looking at around $4.6 trillion of market opportunity. With this gigantic opportunity, Airbnb can scale and continuously grow, and I am very bullish on all 3 of these companies, but specifically Airbnb. All of these companies could easily 10x in the future. They have great growth prospects, they have solid business fundamentals, and the stock price has pulled back in every single one of these stocks, so in the short term, at a minimum, all of these could probably double your money. The reason being is that I am confident that all 3 of these companies are gonna give me fantastic growth over the next 10 years because I am a long-term investor that really enjoys stable companies that have a giant market opportunity that I know will grow their revenues and their overall earnings year after year. Even though 2022 has been somewhat of a roller coaster due to macroeconomic factors, these fundamentals and these businesses in this video, such as Melly stock, Etsy stock, and ABNB stock, these are fantastic buying opportunities. But remember to do your own research to determine if these companies fit into your personal portfolio. Go and smash the like button right now if you haven't already. Subscribe if you are new. Comment your thoughts down below about Airbnb, Mercado Libre, and Etsy, and I will see you in the next YT video.